Hi, this is In the Wild with Chris. For a long time I've been thinking about getting a drone to help me get some good video footage, and finally got it. This is the DJI Mini 2 drone, and today I'm just going to show you the basics of what it can do, as this is my first flight, so we'll see how it works out. Well, this drone is quite easy to handle, has some basic maneuvers programmed into it. Doesn't have any obstacle sensors, so you have to control it yourself and keep track of it. But it's got a return to home function, it's got auto land, quite easy to handle for me as a beginner. So yeah, I think you're gonna see a lot more drone videos on my channel from now on. Well, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out.